back in the stand. It is second weekend of gun season here in Missouri, and we are actually sitting in the stand where Callan shot that big 12 point a few weeks back. So we've been watching a few bucks. We got one in mind this morning, and fingers crossed he comes out. This is the best weather we've had in probably 2 weeks. It is a chilly 48 degrees and foggy.
Yeah, love the fog.
This is really crazy weather. Really wish it was about 25 degrees and snowing, but fingers crossed we're going to make something happen. Bottom line, Jordan is killing something today. Whether it's a big old nanny or whatever, we're pulling the trigger with a big boomstick. What are you shooting this morning?
As always, 300 Win Mag.
The 300 Win Mag. There's a buck. Hasn't been daylight in 30 minutes. He done put a hammer on one. Did he even move? That joker dropped straight down. Oh man. Oh, let's go. Good job, man. Let's think you go.
Yeah.
Get this massive stud muffin buck that I shot. Such a perfect morning. Meat for the freezer now. Kind of basket rack. Not much to him, but super fun. Good times. Gonna be good eating. Can't wait to get him home, get him cleaned up. Have some fresh deer meat. As always, super thankful for Zach bringing me out. Had a great time. Didn't take very long. Put this one down about 32 yards. Good times and good rush.
Successful morning, boys.
It is officially, oops, it is 8:15. We got a buck on the ground. Not only on the ground, he's in the truck, and we are going to get breakfast. Let's go.